Disney movies that I've seen so far in my lifetime, I'm going to say, because I've been watching Disney movies for as long as I can remember. So, yeah, they're mostly animated films, so I'm just going to read off the names and what year they came out originally. So, yeah, okay. First off, Snow White and the Seven. Oh, excuse me, sorry. I get tongue-tied sometimes. Oh, sorry. Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. December 21st, 1937. Pinocchio. February 7th, 1940. Fantasia. November 13th, 1940. Dumbo. October 23rd, 1941. Bambi. August 13th, 1942. Cinderella. February 15th, 1950. Oh, excuse me, hold on. Alice in Wonderland. July 28th, 1951. Peter Pan. February 5th, 1953. Lady and the Tramp. June 22nd, 1955. Sleeping Beauty. January 29th, 1959. I can't really tell if this is an inaudible whisper. Actually, let's not call it that. Because I don't really know what this is. I'm just trying to be quiet. Okay. 101 Dalmatians. January 25th, 1961. The Sword and the Stone. December 25th, 1963. Mary Poppins. August 29th, 1964. That's probably the only, live action that I actually count because I grew up watching that one. So, it's kind of like live action animation, I don't know. But it's one of my favorites. The Jungle Book. October 18th, 1967. The Aristocats. December 24th, 1970. Robin Hood. November 8th, 1973. The Many Adventures of Winnie the Pooh. March 11th, 1977. Oliver and Company. November 18th, 1988. The Little Mermaid. 2000. Oh, sorry. Dinosaur, May 19th, 2000. The Emperor's New Groove, December 15th, 2000. Recess. Oh, sorry, hold on. Recess, School's Out, February 16th, 2001. Monsters Inc., November 2nd, 2001. Lilo and Stitch, June 21st, 2002. Finding Nemo, May 30th, 2003. Brother Bear, November 1st, 2003. The Incredibles, November 5th, 2004. Chicken Little, November 4th, 2005. Cars, June 9th, 2006. Meet the Robinsons. I think it's a really underrated movie. It's so good. March 30th, 2007. Ratatouille, June 29th, 2007. Wall-E, June 27th, 2008. Bolt, November 21st, 2008. Up, May 29th, 2009. Okay. The Princess and the Frog, December 11th, 2009. Toy Story 3, June 18th, 2010. Tangled, November 24th, 2010. Winnie the Pooh, July 15th, 2011. Brave, June 22nd, 2012. So that's all the Disney movies that I've seen so far, and I thought it'd be cool because I really love Disney. It's really my life because I just love it. I have a Disneyland pass, and I'm doing a project on it, and it's just a wonderful thing to live with. It's Disney. I don't know why, I love it a lot. So, I thought it'd be cool to kind of show you that. Like I said, I meant to do this yesterday, but there wasn't enough time, and it was just kind of loud. So, yeah. Anyways, thank you for listening.